and I just want to go through something with you guys, few pairs with you. So this morning I do not have much to say from my last week trades, since I'm still holding my last week trades and they're still pushing, they're doing very well. So I just want to show you something on this one before we just get to the ones we analyzed last week. So what can you see out of guys? Remember guys, what did I say to you guys last time we were analyzing? I said to you guys that we always start by looking for obvious points. That is what we do. First thing first, we look for obvious points. So what is it that you can connect? So from here you can see this, you can see this, you can see this. So as you can see, this. See already when I'm pressing, when I'm connecting that, it's already connecting to the other one. Then we have that one also, and then from there. So that is basically almost about it. Okay, let me remove this. Just gonna remove the old ones. Remove this as well. Just gonna remove this. Okay, cool. So that is pretty much. Now we can connect this. So when we wanna look at it from a vertical point of view, this is what we can connect. Just from a vertical point of view. So from that we move on to a smaller time frame. So let's move on to H4 time frame. So on our H4 time frame, this is what we see. This is what we see on our H4 time frame. This is what we have on H4 time frame. So automatically or already you can see this. You can see this. You can't see this. You cannot avoid this. And then from from the current position, let's move on to 2-hour time frame. So on our 2-hour time frame, this is what you see. This is what you have on your 2-hour time frame. So already you can see this. You can see that the market is ranging in this box. The market is ranging in this. So to make this easier for yourself, move on to smaller time frame also. Again, let's say 1 hour. Then 1 hour, that is what we have. So on our 1 hour time frame, so there's something that I want to do, something that I know that is going to help you. So move on to 15 minutes time frame. So when we are on our 15, the thing is I want to actually show you where this thing is going to turn, where this thing is more likely to turn. This thing from this point. So clearly this thing has to come and test this point. This thing has to come and test this point. This thing has to come and test this point. So before it can do anything, before it can go anywhere, it has to come and test this point. Okay, let me actually do this instead of like a line here. Let me show you let me show you. So, yes. So this thing it's gonna come, test this, and then before it come here. So most likely this is the movement that can always happen today on this Monday. It can always happen. There are high chance of it like doing that today. So with enough with US30, that is actually what I wanted to show you on US30. As my pairs, last week pairs, there's not much to actually discuss. there's not much to actually discuss. This is what we have. This is what we actually have on our time frame. Okay, let's 2 hour, like 2 hour time frame. Let's put it on a 2 hour time frame. So this is what we actually expect from the GBP USD. Remember, we caught GBP USD here last week. We caught GBP USD here, and so now it's moving down. So we are expecting it to come and test this point before it actually continue to like move down. So this is what we have on GBP USD. There's not much to actually discuss. There's not much to actually talk about on GBP USD. That is what we have. So as you can move on to the next one. We just monitoring and checking our last week pairs. Remember the last week pair Euro and ZD, it was here. We caught it when it was here. So hence I'm saying still holding it this week. So from here it's moved. It has moved to this point. So you take it to H4, and we are still expecting it to move even further. You remember last week when I told you about the leg A and leg B, where I said this thing was from this side to this side, and then it came here, consolidated at this point, and now it's gonna continue. This is where we're expecting it to go. You get what I'm saying? So this is where we're expecting it to go. But most likely it can always come and test this point. Can always come and test this point just before it continues to actually go up. So this is what you can expect. And this one, this is what you can actually expect. So now you can expect coming to this point. So this is what you can expect. You can expect it to turn somewhere here. This is what you can expect for this week. Boom. This is what you can expect this week. Done with this one. So moving on to the last one, the one we analyzed last week, which is Euro AUD. So Euro AUD, also we caught it when it was here. So hence Euro AUD also I'm expecting the same thing from Euro AUD, same thing as what I expect from Euro NZ, and which makes sense because these are positive correlations. So yeah, these are positive correlations. If you do not know what positive, you can always check my post videos, the ones I posted before. There's a video where I was talking about positive and negative correlations. So yeah, that's about it for you. This is what we expect to see this week. Also Euro AUD, we are expecting it to come and reach this point. So if you do not know why or how we got to this conclusion that it's gonna come and reach this point, this is what we were doing last week. Or you can check the video I posted last week Monday. So this is what we mean. So this is leg A and this is leg B. So hence why we are expecting it to come and reach this point. So until we meet again, guys, cheers.